Hi, welcome to Expert Village. I'm Gretchen Soares, and today we are going to make a fancy 4-patch table runner. In this segment, we're going to show you what's called a quilt sandwich. Now that we have our top all pieced together, we're going to sandwich it together with our backing or batting in the top to do our final steps. So the first thing we want to do is put our backing fabric laying face down on the counter. And we can work selvage to selvage because this is a small project. Okay, we're going to place our batting on top of that. For this, I'd like a little extra padding to it because I want to use it as a hot pad too. So I'm going to use a thick 15 gauge polyester batting. And then we're going to place our runner top on top of it. I'm going to go ahead and trim this extra fabric that's hanging down. It'll make it much easier to work with. Okay, once we have the pieces cut the approximate size we want, we are going to actually tape this piece of fabric down to our work surface to hold it taut. Otherwise it bubbles on the underside and we can't see that. So again, we're going to pull taut and tape it down so that we get all the wrinkles out of it, or as best we can. The better we do at taping it down, the better our finished product is going to look. Now, starting in the center, we are going to take a quilter's pin, which is a safety pin that's bent in a U shape. A regular safety pin would work if you don't have these. We're going to, starting in the middle, put this in through all 3 layers and clip it. And we are going to work our way from the middle to the outside in this manner, getting it sandwiched together so it'll hold together when we sew on it. I like to clip in the middle of my squares. Then when I'm doing my quilting on the machine, I don't have to move these pins. They're going to be perfectly out of our way. Okay, once we get all of the safety pins put in place, we are going to remove this tape. And we are ready to take this to the machine and quilt it.